Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, so hello, if you haven't seen me before, my name is Sarah, and I do a lot of these clean with me videos, what's for dinner videos, mom videos, definitely a mom video, plus size fashion, beauty, all of that stuff. So if you're interested in that, please stick around. I would love to have you guys here. Yeah, today's video is a disaster video. I have to clean up this house apartment. It is so bad. We went on vacation, we came back, and we have not done anything since. So I have to get back into routine and just, you know, I'm like ready to move on. I'm ready for school to start. I'm ready for fall to come. Like, I'm just ready. So I'm trying to be motivated, trying to push forward, do things that I don't want to do. And so today we are going to clean this whole place. So I hope you are excited for it and you're ready and you need cleaning motivation. And excuse the way I look, but I was not going to put makeup on for a cleaning video because Mama's going to be sweaty and gross and be a waste of makeup for me. So
one more night, I could fight it through till the darkness turns to light. One more night, one more night. Say it's gonna be okay, 'cause this winter is so long, feels like it's haunting me.
I want to share with you guys my new obsession, which are ambient rooms. So they're like rain or snow or fire cracking or like Harry Potter or whatever, but they're this beautiful soundscape with like cool visuals in the background. I'm obsessed. I will leave my playlist that I created below. I haven't created any videos, but I did create the playlist, so I will leave that below because it is amazing and you won't be sorry. I'm just turning on some tunes and then I'm getting to work unpacking because it's a disaster, friends. It is such a disaster.
One more night, one more night. I want a blister full, everyone that it's alright.
Alright, so I'm just sorting my laundry, unpacking, and getting a load in the washer. I always try to start with laundry first, just so it's something that's working on in the background, and then I can just pick it up at the end of the day and fold and move over to the dryer and all of that stuff. So that's what I'm doing. I'm already have some towels in there, but I'm already starting to load with the darks as well. And yeah, I don't actually mind doing laundry. I like sorting, but I hate moving from washer to dryer. It drives me crazy. Let me know if that's a task that you enjoy doing or if you don't mind it. It's just one thing that I hate. I always make my husband move it over if I can because I cannot stand moving from washer to dryer and then dryer to room. I will fold, I will put it in, I will put all the clothes away, we'll do all that. I just do not like moving it. I decided to try these Gain Flings. This is in the Tropical Sunrise scent. They were on sale, so I decided to give them a little shot. And these smell so good. These are a really long-lasting scent. And then I use the Purex crystals. I think this is like cherry blossom or something like that. I like these ones too a lot because they're really inexpensive compared to like the Downy ones or all the other ones that they have on the market. These are way cheaper and I feel like they do just the same amount of work. But those just scent combinations make my clothing and just our blankets and towels and everything smell amazing. Highly recommend it. Super fun for summertime. Also, please excuse my attire. I changed my shirt into like a cleaning, I don't care if it gets hurt shirt, and I'm wearing leggings because I always wear leggings, but I did not realize how incredibly see-through they are. So I'm sorry if you see my butt ever in this video. Yeah, it is what it is, friends. It is cleaning attire. I'm not trying to be fancy for anybody. This is the Downy Unstoppable air freshener. I think this is like Fresh One or whatever. It's the blue one. They have like the same in like the scent beads and all that stuff. This smells like fresh, clean cotton. It's amazing, and it is so strong, but in like a good way. Like this stuff lasts and lingers. I like to spray it on like our bedding or in a room. Here's my husband. A bedding or a room that just needs like a refresher that smells kind of stale. With the humidity and heat in Texas, it just easily does that, so it just kind of like creates a freshness. And then I'm just cleaning up. I'm not trying to be crazy clean in this room. I'm just trying to get the bulk of the stuff just moved out of the way. My husband went in afterwards and picked up the rest of his stuff in the boxes and just helped me out. He kind of was following behind me and helping me along the way, but I try to get the bulk of the stuff cleaned up and moved around.
To be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale.
For the bathroom toilets, I'm using the Method Anti-Bac, I think, toilet cleaner. I've bought a couple bottles of this through Grove Collaborative's website, and I've really liked it. But I think I'm ready to try something different. I'm ready to move on to different cleaning products. So I've used all this stuff up, and my next cleaning video will probably be with tons of new stuff that I'm trying out. I also, that little clip you can see on the toilet are the like Lysol, Febreze little clip things, and they basically like help clean the toilet every time you flush. I think they do a good job with keeping it fresh. I don't know how well they're cleaning, but it does always smell really good, which is nice, and it just smells refreshing when you open the toilet rather than, you know, not so fresh. Anyway, so this was, I mean, I'm just ready to move on to the cleaning products. I want to try that cleaning one that I see all the time on cleaning videos, and just different sprays and stuff. So let me know below some of your favorite things to use, because I really want to try out some new stuff, and I'm interested on what your opinions are. So I'm going to make a list and go shopping and try things out. This counter spray is Fig and Olive. I think it's from Hanover and Kern. I got it at Anthropologie for way too much money, but it is the best smelling spray I have ever used. I need to see if I can find it on Amazon or a different website than Anthropologie, because this stuff was amazing. I bought it on a whim, and I've never looked back.
Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. We turn a page and make up. Our broken trust got you haunted.
So along the way, my husband took care of the floors and cleaned and mopped and vacuumed for me, so you won't see that in the video. I did Swiffer the bathroom floors. I like using Swiffers for those because they're disposable. I don't really like using things that I have to reuse in the bathroom to clean just because of germs. I don't know. I like to use Swiffers for the bathrooms, and I think they do a good enough job in my opinion, and I just feel better about using it like that. But he did end up like cleaning the floors and doing that stuff because that is kind of like his duty that he helps out with, so that's why you won't see me doing that. But they were taken care of, I promise. Like I said, excuse my tushy, okay? I'm just cleaning up the girls' bathroom and getting all of their toys out. I'm using the Lysol, I think it's like mold and mildew cleaner that I got recently, and I actually really like it. It's foaming, and so it does a really good job of like really cleaning up really fast and really easily without a whole lot of scrubbing involved. I don't like to use a whole lot of abrasive cleaners around the areas that my kids are, but sometimes you need a really good scrub that's just going to take away all the gunk and grime and gross that a lot of like my more natural products kind of leave behind sometimes. So I got a good spray and clean in, and then I let it sit for a little bit, scrubbed it up, and washed it down.
What a hopeless place that we're in, but I'm your liability.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge?
If you're wondering why there is no cabinet door on one of those cabinets right there, it's because it literally just broke in half off for no reason. And the reason that the toilet holder thing was broken up too, it's just, I feel like this apartment's falling apart a little bit. We need to have the maintenance come in and help us fix it.
I met you in the summer. My love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself.
This clip is just filled with chaos, with me trying to clean, my husband bringing in that cooler that we dumped, my kids running around. But I wanted to include this because I actually really enjoy cleaning off the bar cart. It's like one of my favorite cleaning procedures. I don't know why, I just feel like it's really like pretty and fun when it's all clean. But this is always something I like to decorate during like the months of the year and just like the seasons and the holidays and stuff. So right now I got my summer decorations up for it, but I cannot wait to put some pumpkins and like fall things. I'm so excited, guys. Now moving on to the kitchen, I'm putting away a lot of the stuff that we brought with us, throwing away old food, trying to clean up. It's just such a mess. I am so embarrassed with the amount of food and just junk and dishes and stuff that is all around this apartment, but true life, friends. I'm just trying to be real with you. This is a messy place and it is what it is, but I put away all of my dishes and from the dishwasher, and then my husband came in and cleaned the dishes for me and put them in the dishwasher, so that's why you don't see that little segment, but I did put them all away. And I cleaned off the counters, and then he came in and cleaned the floors behind me.
I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the
This is one of my favorite Mrs. Meyer scents. It is the basil one. It smells super fresh and clean. It's really earthy, almost like a grass or herb smell, i.e. basil, but it's not like yucky or musty. It's so nice. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. It's perfect for the spring and summertime, but I'm really excited for the fall Mrs. Meyer scents. Mum is one of my very favorites, and I really hope that they bring it back out again. I didn't get my hands on it last fall, so I was a little disappointed, but I'm really hoping I can get it this fall. And yeah, so I do recommend the basil scent though, because it is really nice. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Please let me know below what other videos you would like to see from my channel and what other cleaning products that you recommend and would like to see me try out as well. Please follow me on Instagram at Sarah England, and I will see you guys all very soon in my next video. Bye guys.